Bro, can you give me 1 cup of cringe? Ha?
Bigay mo kay Kobe.
Ito isa? Walang pera. Saan yung nagsabi ng Xeri?
Ano ba yun?
Pamaw. Saan ba? Yan ba yan?
Yata yun.
Hindi, iba yun eh. Wait lang. Hindi yun eh. Saan ba yun? Ito ba yun? Ito ata yun eh.
Hindi.
Ano to? Bro, pocket. Pocket po.
Yoshi.
Oh, to. Bro. Lion King. Ah! Ba't niya? Taki na. Wait. Hey viewers, it's you. Wait. Saw something? Oh my god. Is this fucking Gogura? What the hell?
Lambot.
Magkano to? 590? Isang ganito? Afford mo? So guys, this is where I display my my YouTube channel. This is my 100,000 subscribers over here. Here's the 1 million and then 10 million. 10 mil. Yeah. Joke failed. Move on. Integrated light full packs. PAX East. What? Which one? This is the seed for Twitter users. Twitter user gaming chair. Gab. I found it. The method. New gun. Valorant. Yung classic. Classic skin. Oh hell no. Space Jam DVDs, Space Jam DVDs, Space Jam DVDs, Space Jam DVDs. Dalfred? Isn't this from fucking Scooby-Doo? The chair that makes you tall. The German 985 chair. How the fuck? Okay, never mind. I saw the horror. That wasn't it. Scogs that play. Are you ready for another tea session, mate? Ano kaya meron dito? Kala ko nandyan yung Aladdin. Yung ano? Genie. Aladdin ang puta. Holy shit, the most boring sport in golf. How depressing does this feel? Yeah, feels a lot more depressing. Hold on. Colonoscopy? Holy shit. Wait. I don't really fucking know how I became a content creator. Holy shit.
Cable mic.
Fuck you. Oh shit. So how many paragraphs do I need in order to make an entire essay? One thing's for sure, I don't need any fucking wheels to do this shit. Do you reckon some people could do a fucking podcast in this? Also, casting couch. 11. This is called 11, but there is no fucking the number 11 here. Thought this shit would be a number, but apparently it's just whiteboard. Backhand. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not occupied. It's fake. No. 1 hectare. I'm pretty sure that isn't a hectare. Where? Dark gray. I'm pretty sure that isn't dark gray as well. This is what our boss wants, to be happy. But what the fuck is this? A magazine file. I think this is what I lack. 990 pesos. Holy shit. This is the fucking New York apartment. No beds. 59,000 per month. NFTs. NFT number 1. 5 Ethereum. How's the view out there?
1080p.
What's up? Hello, this is Lockpicking Lawyer here. Today we're gonna be unlocking this Chinese lock. We don't have a locking. We don't have a lock, but today we're gonna be using this paper to unlock the lock in order to launch the nuclear bombs. Who cares? So how many money did I get for today? Nothing. Is this bike for sale? Dude, they massacred my boy. They massacred my boy. What happened to him? 1 ear only. Isn't this what Will Smith did? Oh my god, is this the Mr. Beast chocolate? Ooh. Me and you? Where the fuck is them? Pussy. I don't have that. Need some help getting things sorted? Can I get my life sorted first before anything? What the fuck? Oh, so that's how I upload my content. Okay. Oh, so you put the bag in there, so you put my channel in there, yeah? You gotta prepare. So that's YouTube. Uh-huh, I'm listening. Okay. Good placement of the platform. Oh, so that's where... Oh, and then I put my videos in there. And then you put the second channel. That's fucking smart. Oh my god. I think that's how we do things today. Oh, you close it. Now demonstrate fucking throwing... Oh my god. Turn that shit up. Our lowest price. That really is low. What the fuck? Oh, so this is what cartoon characters eat. Strainer, water trapper, glue, that's fucking cool. Anyways. Bro got a long nose. What the hell? 2 eyes? Mouth? Long penis. Bro is fighting his demons right now. What demons are you fighting for? Or against, rather? The cringe demon. Dude. Bend over. Why do all the clocks don't have any numbers? What the fuck? What are they supposed to do? It's like numbers are uninvented for real. What the fuck? Oh, dude, why you look so sad? Sit up, sit down. There you go. Oh, dude, you're fucking depressed as fuck. Alright, hold on. Can I... Nope. Okay, no, nah, he's drunk as fuck. Guys, today, so we are visiting Dream's room. And these are the list of people that he said. Aim high, reach far. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you open the closet a little bit? What the fuck? Who's Sword Pumbaa in here? What the? Abortion. Abortion. Disney World. Disney World. Get the job done with play. Play with what? Wait. Is this the guy when the dinosaur that did crack cocaine back in the day? Retired. Wait, their hands stick? Wait. Dude. Handshake. Yo, wait, no, make a circle. We're 18 and we're both children. That's why we live less. Da, 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 da. The circle. Come here. Venus. Venus. Rinig. Can I hear them? No.
4chan.
4chan? 4chan? Oh. Bye bye. I can't buy all of you. Maybe I will. In the future. Well, let's buy something else, you know? Let's buy something else. What time is it?
You know it's not what it used to be. Just look around, it's not hard to see. You're afraid of losing my company. Yeah, that could have been me. You know it's not what it used to be. Just look around, it's not hard to see. You're afraid of losing my company. Yeah, that